This is just a little video on you seeing the 59 Cadillac start. I haven't started it in about a week or so, I wanted to have you see it on cold start. I need to manually choke the carb though, because I'm still working on the carburetor. It's freshly rebuilt. I just have to get the pickup, the temperature pickup there for the choke. Probably get an electric one off from Metal Rock. You can see how clean the engine bay is. Engine's fully rebuilt. Probably only has maybe 10,000 miles on it. The bay I sandblasted and painted. It does have signs of dimples from rust and stuff. It's nothing major. The only major part is this fender well. This top apron of the fender well. You probably want to get that replaced. But other than that, it's in nice shape. It's just a black semi-gloss paint. It's a durable paint. I did that in the frame, all the frame up to behind the firewall. All right. You can see engine's super cold. It's at 51 degrees there, 51 degrees there, 51 degrees at the manifold, so it's obviously not run. All right, so go ahead. Just push the top of that choke down. Just like that. Yeah. The flap. So it's closed. It's gonna start. So I'm gonna crank it. Don't freak out. All right. You're good though. You're clear. All right. Let's see it. Ready? Here we go. See no smoke or anything coming out the back right there. It's kind of noisy. I have the Eldo running too. 70 Eldo. Been working on that for a while. No clicking or clacking. Slow idle. That's minor surface rust around it. All the stainless is in really good shape. Bumpers, everything. I dipped most of it. You might like the patina look. It does have some surface rust, but it's all there. It's all complete. It's never been pulled apart. This is the original color from 1959, except for the roof. The roof used to be a metallic blue. It was brought into some body shop in the late 60s to have it painted the same color as the car. You can see the other surface rust on the trunk and stuff from where it was sitting, exposed to the elements. But everything's there. These chromes, they're pitted, they need work, but it's all there, like I said. All the trim is nice. All the lights work. Pretty cool shot of the rockets. License plate light, I don't even think my daily that works on it. Brake lights work, so on and so forth. Show you the park lights in the front. Headlights work, of course. Yeah, fog lights work. It needs some work on the interior, obviously. It's 50% of the way there. It's kind of taken apart, gutted. Floor pans are nice. There's a spot behind the back, underneath where the seat is, that has some rust through, but that's the only major spot of rust through. I can show that to you if you need to, but floor pans are nice, both sides. It's almost unheard of in these. And the trunk pad is really nice. And then you have mild rust through on the back here. Oh, not this side, the other side. Over there, the quarters. Quarters are clean. A little bit by the skirt. Those issues on the doors. Of course, the front fender. Typical stuff. Same side. The passenger side's pretty much the same. I'll pull it out and show you too, though. All right, I'll stop it here and send this. It's getting long.